This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and testing. Wash the area with pH-neutral soap to remove grime, then dry it. Once done, test Car Guy's plastic restorer on a hidden patch so you know the result before committing. Shake the bottle vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds to blend the formula. Immediately apply a thin, even coat with a microfiber or foam applicator. This gives uniform coverage and prevents pooling. Make sure to work section by section so the product doesn't dry unevenly. You now build the finish by working methodically. Use light, circular strokes and cover roughly 12 by 12-inch sections to ensure consistent penetration. After the first coat, let it sit 1 to 3 minutes so the formula bonds with the plastic. If the surface still looks dull, apply a second thin coat. On cooler days, warm the panel slightly with sunlight or a low heat gun to aid absorption, but be careful not to overheat. Once the product levels, gently buff to even the sheen. You finish by removing any excess. Buff the area with a clean microfiber using light passes to eliminate sling marks and create an even gloss. Once done, let the restoration cure for 24 to 48 hours. Keep the vehicle dry and out of heavy rain or automatic car washes during that period so the formula sets properly. For maintenance, reapply every 3-6 months. If streaks or blotches appear, re-clean the panel and repeat thin applications. That troubleshooting step fixes uneven absorption quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.